Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go.
Now, hear the silence of annihilation. The only peace I seek is death. They will call me villain. Come, let me earn their hatred again and forever. For my imprisonment, they will suffer. I must destroy even hope. All that lives, I will end. As long as this form lives, I will punish them. Challenge me, mortals! I am here! Pray, fool! You face a Darkin. Our duel begins. Tricks, Akali. They will not hide you from me. Face your doom. Scream Demacia, Garen! Scream its name before I crush you! And it! Hail, Pantheon! Let me hear you cry of friendship! Let me hear you scream of brotherhood! I know it was you, trickster! You gave them the tools to trap me! Come! Let me kill you! 1,000 times isn't enough! Suffer as I suffer. Sorrow, I shall deliver it to you. Come! Destiny awaits! Carnage is my method. I am not your enemy! I am the enemy! I will hack and chop and cleave and sunder the filth of your forms! Your death awaits! This is your absolution. Carnage, my last joy. Aspect of change! Now you die! Demacia! Whatever Demacia is, I will slay it next! Follow me into destruction! I offer you victory! Fight or be forgotten!